Nalupe ikae university ya 21st century. Namna hiyo. Kwa hivyo vile mimi leo nimekuja kutembea hapa Busia. Nimeanza asubuhi ya leo kule chini. Tunajenga nyumba affordable housing 10,000 Busia County. We have committed 18 billion shillings to transform Busia County. We are building 10,000 housing units. We are building 14 new markets. We are building hostels for 6,000 students, including 2,000 students here in Nalupe. So we are building other hostels in other facilities in KMTC. This morning I was in Amukura Teachers Training College. We are building their hostels. We are building hostels also in Bumbe National Polytechnic and many other facilities, because we want the student community to learn from an environment that is conducive, that is decent, that has the proper sanitation and that has proper facilities.